Hello, YouTube. I've had better days. I drive a 2005 Chrysler 300 with a 2.7 in it. This is my problem. I had some issues with it wanting to start some days and not start other days. I took the starter off of it, took it to O'Reilly's, had them test it, and it was fine. So we put it back on, and then going to leave for work this morning, and I have this issue, okay? So got the key in, and I get a check engine light, but when I had him hook it up, I had a friend of mine bring his tester over here. There's no codes, so I don't know exactly what that means either. And I know it's not a battery because I just put a brand new battery in it. So, I don't know. It clicks, but it just doesn't go. So, here's the noise. It sucks. Any ideas? Please?